Hello, hello mga peeps. Kumusta? I'm just making this video because I cannot wait to share this with you because we have a conversation with this friend, my friend. She's another nationality. She's an Egyptian, and it's like she's so fascinating about Tagalog and Bisaya. She wants to learn our language, and then she is singing this buwan. He said, "Sa ilalim ng puting ilaw, sa dilaw na buwan," something like that. So I asked her, do you know what it means, puting ilaw? And she said, no, I just like, she was just, because she's singing our song with the lyrics. So she said, oh, no, I don't know. I just reading the lyrics and like that. So I taught her. This is one by one. This is how we make it. Like, puti means white and ilaw means light. So it's like puting ilaw. It's like white light or like that. So I told her, in Tagalog, when describing a word, like, we have this word puti. So it has ending vowel letters. You should put ng to put it when you describe the thing or like that. Like example, puting ilaw. So, and when you say dilaw means yellow, and then buwan means moon. So you describe the moon, it's a yellow moon. So when you say it, it will become dilaw na buwan. So when the word is like dilaw, like ending with a consonant, you will add na to describe the buwan. So dilaw na buwan. So it's like that. So I gave her some example like malaki. Malaki is big. And then when I told her it's a malaki mata, it's eye. So how will you say it? And I asked her, so how will you say it? Malaki and with the eyes, mata. And she said, what happened? She said, mata? Anji malaki. I said, no. I told her, it's supposed to be, you put it in the end of the word, not in the beginning, but she's putting it in the beginning. We were chatting that time. What can I do? What can I do? So now I was thinking I will make some video vlogs for translating English to Tagalog words for all my other nationality friends who are liking Tagalog or even Bisaya, to let them learn, just for learning, just a little words. So watch for more videos. Bye, babush kalabush.